Friends, today I'm going to do a matte natural makeup look using the new Mario's matte palette. And previously I have done another videos for the smoky eye effect, and this time I'm doing a purely natural makeup using the very matte makeup, and see which one do you like. And please subscribe my channel and click on the bell buttons, and you will get notification once I have uploaded another new videos. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Prep the eye areas with Makeup by Mario's Master Eye Preps and Sets to intensify the color and give a long wearing finish. Now I applied Makeup by Mario's Master Matte Eyeshadow palette using the medium bronze color mainly in the outer corner, and tap on the light color in the front and the middle of the eyelid. I lined with a plum charcoal eyeliner using NARS Mulholland Drive and swing it out, then quickly using a small sponge brush to create a softer look to blend it well mainly in the outer corner. I mainly used the browns and plum color to create a natural eye makeup look. I lined the lower lash line with the same color and using a small blending brush to soften the line. I used matte foundation for this look, and today I use NARS Soft Matte Complete Foundations, applying with Marc Jacobs buffering brush with a circular motions. Remember, less is more. Blend it really well all over your face for a seamless finish. For highlighting, I use MAC Studio Fix Perfecting Stick, a lighter shade than your skin tone, under the eyes and on top of the cheekbones. Then I use Fenty Match Sticks for contouring, a shade darker than your skin tone, underneath the cheekbones, at the temples, on the sides of the nose, and underneath the jawlines. Then I use the foundation brush, just now with the foundations, on top of the contouring and highlighting. At this point, you really need to blend freely, moving the brush in a circular motion to marry all the colors together for a seamless transition. Then I use NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer to cover all the uneven skin tones, blemishes, and marks. I use Anastasia's Beverly Hills Brow Wigs to define the brow. Then I use a stroke method to create a natural brow. I apply Anastasia's Beverly Hills Volumizing Mascara using a zigzag mode to make sure all lashes are coated. I apply Bobbi Brown's Sheer Finish Pressed Powder Pale Yellow for setting the highlighting area. I finish off with a nice dusting of translucent powder for setting the makeup and providing a seamless finish. For the cheek, I used a matte rose blush and apply it on the apples of the cheek, moving the blush brush in small circle. For the lips, I used Dear Dahlia Lip Tint Teddy for a matte pinky look. Then I used lip liner to define the lips for the last step. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy it.